Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Contentful UI content exports to local files, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Contentful website. Log in to your Contentful account using your credentials. Once logged in, select the desired space from the space selector in the top left corner. In the sidebar, locate and click on the Settings section. From the Settings menu, select the API Keys option. Make a note of your environment's management API key for later use. Next, navigate to the Content Models section in the sidebar. Identify and select the content type you wish to export. Once selected, click on the Export button located at the top right corner. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose the export format. Select JSON as your desired export format for easier handling. Confirm your selection by clicking the Export button in the dialog. The export process will begin, and a progress bar will appear. Once completed, a download link will be provided. Click the link to download your content file to your computer. Make sure to save it in a location that is easily accessible. Repeat the process for any additional content types you wish to backup. After all necessary content has been exported, consider creating a folder for organization. Move all the downloaded content files into this folder for clarity. For added security, consider copying the folder to an external drive or cloud storage. By following these steps, you will have successfully exported and backed up your Contentful content to local files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.